Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eivind Hansen and I am a teacher, photographer and light artist. I'm also a brand ambassador for Nanlite, and today I'll be showing you 5 different lighting setups using 2 PavoTubes in less than 2 minutes. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can go from this, to this, to this, to this, to this. All you need is 2 PavoTubes with head crates, a C-stand, articulated head mount, a clamp and a diffuser. So the first setup in this tutorial is the rim lights. Place the lights on stands in the back and angle them towards the model. Set PavoTubes to hue loop in effects mode and you're done. The second setup is the chromatic background. For the chromatic background, just take grids off the egg crates, open the barn doors and turn the lights facing the background. Our third setup is a diffused key light plus rim light. Place one light in the back with a grid on and put the second light in front of the model. Hang a diffuser in front of the key light using a C-stand and a clamp. For the fourth setup we have the overhead light plus fill light. Get a C-stand with a boom arm and position light directly over the model. Get your second light and then place it directly underneath the model facing upwards. So the final setup is the chromatic softbox. Bring both lights back to the same position from setup 2, put a stand with a clamp in the middle and hang the diffuser. Move them behind the model and turn the model facing you. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick little lighting tutorial. Let me know which setup is your favorite. I think my favorite is the chromatic softbox at the end. I love how the 2 different colors mixes in the middle and creates a nice little diffusion between the 2 different colors. So if you want to learn more about how I use these lights in my own work, I have a really good course on Domestika. I will leave a link in the description box below. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and I will see you very soon.